Good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome back to your online class. In previous class we have discussed about different parts of nucleus along with its function, and there we have discussed chromatin, chromosome. Have you the clear idea about chromatin and chromosome? Can you differentiate now? Let me know. You can write in your chat box. Okay, very good. So the chromatins are thin thread-like structure, and during cell division and reproduction, this chromatin fiber condense to form chromosome. Okay, they condense to form chromosome. Now, what is this chromosome? This chromosome is look like two long threads. They are interconnected by a structure called. Their two threads, same threads, are known as, in right side and left side, the both threads like structure, the same structures are chromatid. Okay, they are chromatids actually, two chromatid, that is a structure of a chromosome. Figure chromosome. And in the middle portion you have seen this interconnects the two chromatids. This is known as centromere. Centromere. Okay, so in a structure of a chromosome we have got two chromatids, one centromere. Okay, now there are two arms. On the basis of the position of centromere, the upper portion of the centromere, they having two arms, and the lower portion of centromere, they also having two arms. We can divide it into this basis. So the upper arms are known as P arm, and the lower arms, these are known as Q arm. Okay, Q arms. Their upper arms are known as P arms and the lower arms are known as Q arms. Everyone get this? Yes, chromosome structure again I am telling. Yes, chromosomes are rod-like or thread-like structure which are formed by the condensation of chromatin. Chromatins are present in the nucleus. So when they are found in the nucleus, you have seen that they are thread-like structure. But during cell division, means when a cell is destined to divide, or during cellular reproduction, what happens? Those chromatin fibers condense to form the structure called as chromosome. Okay, chromosome. Yes, the centromere that connects the two chromatids. Okay, these two chromatids. Now what are these chromatids? A chromosome consists of two similar threads, or you can draw like this way. This is also a structure of chromosome. So this is a chromosome where there are two same thread-like structure. They are known as chromatids. They are interconnected by a centromere. Okay, you get this? Okay. So these two chromatids are attached to each other at the point that is known as centromere. Now these arms I have told you, P arms and Q arms. Now chromosome carry and help transfer information of inheritance of characteristics from parents to their next generation. Means parents to their next generation, parents to the next offspring. Okay, now chromosomes are made of DNA molecules and proteins. In previous class video, if you can see it from YouTube, then you may be able to see I have shown you the proper structure of DNA from a chromosome. There I have already depict everything, no? So the genetic information that actually contained in DNA, that contain all information that is necessary for functioning, growth, reproduction, everything. So here we have seen the functional part of DNA is known as gene. Functional part of DNA, yes, Jasmine. P arms are also known as short arms and Q are the larger arms. Yes. So the functional part of DNA are known as genes, okay, and genes are arranged in linear fashion over DNA or chromosome, and they contain all the information that are necessary for functioning, then growth, reproduction, not only the cell but also the whole organisms, okay. So now chromosome, I have told about chromosome. Now chromosome number, what is this chromosome number? Actually this chromosome number is fixed for each species, means in humans chromosome number is fixed, in dogs chromosome number is fixed, also in cats, in maize, in pea, in every organism species chromosome number is fixed, and chromosome number that is denoted by N, okay, N, that is denoted by N. Now in most organisms chromosomes occurs in homologous pair. Now what is this homologous pair? So in most organisms chromosomes occurs in homologous pair, means if this is a chromosome and there is a same chromosome is there, one is coming from mother and another is coming from father, and they are just similar in their content, so that we can say that these chromosomes are homologous chromosome. Homologous chromosome. Everyone get this point what I have told now? Understood? So here homologous chromosome you have come to know, and in homologous each pair one chromosome belong to father and another chromosome is belong to mother, okay. Now presence of these two sets of chromosome or genomes is known as diploid. When two sets of chromosome are present in an organism, you can see one chromosome another chromosome, so there is 2n. 2n means there are two sets of chromosome, one is coming from father another is from mother, okay. Everyone get this? So such type of situation can be denoted as diploid. Diploid, di means two, ploid means their chromosome number, so 2. Understood here what is diploid? When the genome is called as diploid, understood everyone? Okay. So in case of human beings, you know there are 23 pairs of chromosomes are there, you know, means total 46, okay. 46 chromosomes are there, and in case of pea plant there are 14 chromosomes or 7 pairs of chromosomes are there. In case of dogs there are 39 pairs, means 78 pairs of chromosome, okay. So different species have different number of chromosomes, okay. So we have seen that only a single set of chromosome or genome occurs in gametes. Now I have told you diploid. Now what is haploid case? Means when only a single set of chromosome, means that denotes as 1n, only a single set of chromosome is present, that condition is known as haploid. That haploid condition can be actually found in gametes. Gametes means, you know, ovum and sperm. So this haploid condition or haploid number of gametes haploid number of cells chromosome set can be found in gametes, okay. Everyone understood? Everyone understood this? This video will be uploaded in the YouTube channel, so you can make note on these things, okay, whatever I have told. you can do it by your own. That will be helpful for you all, okay, for understanding the new things. Also during higher class you will come to know about so many new terms. If you are if you have proper concept with these terms, then you will easily understood the other things also. Okay, but Jasmine, I know. Okay, I will try. Okay, I will try, and I will make a video, offline video for this. Then you will see this. You must see this. Okay. Please follow my class and YouTube channel. In our YouTube channel, all classes will be uploaded. So don't worry. Now, so the function of nucleus that we have already learned, genetic information, it carries genetic information, means the hereditary characteristics from one generation to another, means parents to their offspring, as you know. And this is the main control center of cell, as it controls all the metabolic activities. Metabolic activities means, have you any idea about metabolic activities? Metabolic activities actually comprises of two things: metabolism or metabolic activities. These are comprises of two things. One is catabolism, another is anabolism. So metabolism means catabolic bolism. This comprises of two processes. Another is anabolism. Now, what is this catabolism? Catabolism means a breakdown of compounds into simpler forms. You can exemplify just like the process of respiration. In the process of cellular respiration, glucose is breakdown into pyruvate. Okay, so this is actually comprises of breakdown of compound. The first example, that is during cellular respiration, glucose is broken down into pyruvate. So this is such an example of catabolism, and this release a lot of energy. Okay, that release a lot of energy in case of catabolism. But anabolism, that is just opposite of catabolism, that is synthesis of new compound, just like synthesis of proteins, lipids, and so many other things, hormones in our body. Okay, so these all things are comes under anabolism, and this anabolism consumes a lot of energy as this process is actually including synthesis of new compound. So this consumes energy, but this catabolism release energy, release a lot of energy. Now you have understood, students? Any problem up to this portion? Am I audible? No, Jasmine, not totally what you have told. That is incomplete answer actually. I have told metabolism is all about catabolism and anabolism. Metabolism is such a process that contains two process. One is catabolism, another is anabolism. Okay, catabolism means when breakdown of a compound takes place, that is breakdown of a compound that to get very simpler substances. Okay, means breakdown of something to get smaller things, such as I have given example that during cellular respiration, glucose is broken down into pyruvate. Okay, so we can say this is a reaction, this is a catabolism process or catabolism reaction. Now in case of anabolism, just opposite of catabolism occurs in case of anabolism. Here synthesis of new compound takes place, just like synthesis of proteins, vitamins, then some hormones, these all synthesized, okay, by this process. Means all small molecules are getting together to make a large compound, okay. So this is the synthesis process. Now catabolism, as breakdown of the compound takes place, that release a lot of energy. But anabolism, at smaller particles that get together form a new compound, that consumes a lot of energy. Understood, Jasmine? I am rubbing this portion and I will proceed towards the next thing, that is cytoplasm. Okay, cytoplasm. Okay, Jasmine, I will provide. I will provide notes on this. And go through the NCERT book thoroughly. From there also you can get a proper concept. Okay. Now comes to cytoplasm. Now what is this cytoplasm? Cytoplasm is the protoplasmic mass of cell. Of the cell that is inner to plasma membrane and excluding nucleus, that is known as cytoplasm. Okay, that is known as cytoplasm. Now cytoplasm has two parts. Cytoplasm, you can make some small note like me, whatever I am writing in the board, you must follow those and you can obviously get this. Now the cytoplasm has two parts. One is cytosol and another is cell organelle. Okay, so cytoplasm has two parts. One is cytosol, another is cell organelles. Now what is this cytosol? Cytosol is the fluid part of the cytoplasm. Okay, fluid part of the cytoplasm, and this cytosol is viscous. What is the nature of cytosol? That is viscous. Viscous means, do you know what is viscous? Viscous means thick consistency. Thick consistency between solid and liquid, jelly like. Okay, so that is known as viscous. Next, it is nearly homogeneous. Homogeneous, yes, rough consistency or thick consistency, yes. And nearly homogeneous means the components or composition is uniform throughout the mixture. Okay, that is why they are known as nearly homogeneous. Got this, everyone? Nearly homogeneous. Nearly homogeneous. So the two characteristics we have get. So and this cytosol or this fluid part contains a number of substances just like water, ions, enzymes, vitamins, salts, these all things embedded in the cytoplasm, the cytosol of the cytoplasm. Okay, so these all things embedded: vitamins, water, salts, iron, these all, amino acids, carbohydrate, lipid. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, Rashmi, you are right. Now comes to cell organelle. Cell organelles, you know, they are very subcellular structure present in the cytosol. In the cytoplasm, they are known as cell organelles. They are submicroscopic structure which has specialized to perform specific function, different function in the cell. Okay, and the larger and more evolved eukaryotic cell, they have more metabolic activities to support the complicated structure and function. Okay, now can you say virus is coming under prokaryote or eukaryotes? Virus comes under prokaryotes or eukaryotes? Let me see who can answer this perfectly. Roshni is correct. None of prokaryote and eukaryote. Virus is not neither come under prokaryotes nor under eukaryotes. Okay, as they lack the characteristics of living organisms, but there is an exception. They can replicate, and when they enter the host body, they actually utilize the metabolic machinery of the living organisms or the host where they enter. There they multiply, and within a short time they grow rapidly. Okay, so actually when they are in the air, they are like a non-living things, but when they enter the host body, they snatch the metabolic machinery of the host. Yes, uninvited guest. Yes. Understood, everyone? Now comes to the last portion. In the next class, I will describe the cell organelles in more detail. Just I will tell about some cell organelles. Cell organelles, I have told you, these are subcellular structure. They are submicroscopic structure present in the cytosol or cytoplasm of a cell. Now, cell organelles, they can be categorized into three parts on the basis of the number of membranes present in them. Okay, whether they have membranes or not, or the numbers of membrane present in them, on the basis of that they can be divided into three parts. Okay, the cell organelles. What are those? First one is, you can write double membrane bound. Double membrane bound. Another, the second category, that is single membrane bound. And the third category, that is without membrane. Okay, without membrane, that is comes under membraneless category. Membraneless. Okay, now I will give you example. Double membrane bound structure, just like mitochondria have double membrane bound structure. Then plastid, that is found in plant cell. Plastid also have double membrane bound structure. Nucleus also having double membrane bound structure, you know. Okay, now single membrane bound structure, these are under endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, lysosome, vacuole. This all comes under single membrane bound structure. Now comes to membraneless. The membraneless organelle that is found inside the cell, that is known as ribosome. Okay, so you have to remember this all. Everyone understood? Okay, in the next class we will discuss about cell inclusion, then comes to endoplasmic reticulum, and we will discuss more detail in each in all organisms, from endoplasmic reticulum, then Golgi apparatus, then lysosome, then mitochondria, then plastid. Okay? Okay, is it clear to you everyone? Okay.